Good morning and hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I invite you to watch me just do the project work for practically the whole day because I barely got any studying done on this particular day. Because it was the geography project, and on top of that, I was going to just paste the pictures. And when it comes to 40 plus pictures for one particular project work, then it means it is the whole day that I'm going to spend doing just that with a little bit of studying on the sideline. Anyways, I started this day by collecting the photographs that I had sent to be printed from the printing shop. And then I came back, got a little bit of studying done because I knew that I would hardly get any time to study on that particular day. So that was me making some of the biology notes. And then began the main project session. I began by writing a draft for the heading on a rough page and then moved on to the main fair page because I get really scared when I have to write bigger headings, and this was one of them, so I always go for the draft first and then main after. To give you some context as to where we've been, what we've been doing all these times. So basically, just after our second assessment ended, first assessment ended, I've started working on the projects, and that is all I've been doing basically, while also studying, which is of course a must, but I think projects have taken a foremost priority now. So I'm trying to get the project done as fast as possible. Geography will be finished from my time by next week. So that's a nice thing. Bengali is completely done, so that means that I will have 2 whole projects completed for the rest of the year and for the rest of the session. So that is one good thing. And basically, ever since last year, projects have taken such a big priority in my study routine that I think it's insane, and I never thought that it would be so even 3 years back. But anyways, I've completed West India and just doing the little bit of scratching the surface kind of things just after the leftovers. So in case that you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so update on the work that we have been doing thus far. I switched tasks from doing the project work to suddenly studying some biology because I wanted to switch some tasks and I was getting bored anyways. So I've gotten some studying done for about 5 to 10 minutes, who knows, and then I'll be again back to doing the projects in a bit. In between, I'll drink some water, do some fun stuff, and then get back to work. So what you're seeing here is when I decided to change one picture that I had used in my project back in the first assessment. And when I say that, I mean changing the picture in the form of pasting one picture on top of another so that that one didn't get visible anymore. Anyways, I did that because I didn't like the vibe that that one picture gave. I wanted it to suit the vibe of the rest of my project, so I changed this colorful picture with this black and white one. And I like the result. This is where another interesting part of my project routine begins, where I separate all of those photographs into different groups depending on which places those photos belong to. For example, I was doing Mumbai and all those places, so I separated the pictures on the basis of one set for Mumbai, another set for some other thing. And then I write the names of those places on the back of the pictures so that it becomes easier for me to paste them when it comes to that. And finally came the main portion of pasting the main pictures to the spots. And I'm sure you can see how indecisive I was whenever I was trying to place one photo in one position and then I decided to place it somewhere else. And I'm sure you will be facing the same problem with your projects too, or maybe you don't, let me know. But, anyways, I was trying to place the photos in different positions and trying to figure out if I liked any one positioning best. In fact, whatever you were seeing on screen, that positioning was also changed in the end. So, mainly the thing was same, but I changed little portions of that and I cut out some portions from the corners. As you can see there, I was marking the areas from where I wanted to cut the photographs to fit the page, or rather fit the photograph into the page. Well, that's basically all I do when it comes to the pasting pictures side of things onto my project work. If you do something special, please let me know. Maybe I can try that one out and thank you later. But anyways, that was all I had to share for today's video. If you liked it, then give it a like, share, subscribe, do whatever you wish, and I'll see you somewhere in the future. Till then, bye.